In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic. So it's very simple. All you need to do is swipe up from the watch face and then scroll a bit to find settings. So tap on that settings icon and then scroll down to sounds and vibration. Tap on that and then scroll down to ringtone. Okay, tap on that and then you can have a listen to the current ringtone or change to something else. So you have all these ringtones you can choose from. Okay, so just choose the one you want, select it, and then press the back button, and that's going to be your new ringtone for the Galaxy Watch. Okay, so that's basically how to change your Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic ringtone easily on the watch. Now you can also do this using the wearable app. So just launch the app, go to watch settings, and then go to sounds and vibration, and then scroll down and find ringtone. Tap on that and then choose from any of the same list of ringtones that you had here. Okay, so it's the same list, just choose the ringtone you want and use it on your Galaxy Watch. And that's basically how to change the ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.